Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day today. Today what we're going to talk about is Tarte just did another one of their custom beauty kits where you can get 7 items for $63. If you're not familiar with Tarte, most of their products are like a minimum of 20 bucks, sometimes a lot more. So when they do these, it's a fantastic deal. The last time I did it was, I believe, the last time they offered the bundle package like this, which was November of last year. And then I'm on their emailing list so that when they do get these deals in, I can hop right on it. Matter of fact, I ordered this on, the order was placed June 5th. I received it June 8th. So that's also the fastest delivery that I've ever gotten from Tarte. The projected date was supposed to be June 10th, and it came in early. And that was even after a notice stating that due to high volume, that it may take longer than normal. But instead it only took 3 days. So I'm super excited. What I got, so what it is when they do these beauty bundles is you can't pick just anything. They have different categories, and then there are usually 2, 3, 4 different items per category that you can choose one of. So like one for face, and one for eyes, and one for lips, and on and on. And once you pick what you want for that category, then it moves on to the next one until you're done. I can't remember the order that it went in. It might be what it's showing. Yeah, I think this is the order. So this time what I chose is their new foundation, this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation. And that's what this looks like. And I got it in my usual Tarte shade, which is the Fair Light Neutral. Now I'm not wearing any of these today. I did just shoot my beauty pie video, so you might recognize the look because I'll put that one up first. But I have several Tarte foundations. I've got the clay one that's in like a squeezy tube. I've got their, I think I've got the stick. I've got the both matte and hydrating of the old formula that, if you remember, had that big hullabaloo because it didn't have as many shades as I believe like the Rihanna's line, the Fenty Beauty, had come out with one around the same time. I also have their like update to that one. I like Tarte. I do. I really do. I could do several full faces of Tarte and probably not use the same product more than once, except maybe the primer. I think I only have one primer for Tarte. But this is kind of interesting on this one. So I'm glad that they included this one in what we could choose, because it's got the applicator is a dropper. I don't know if I can get this to actually focus on this and not make a gigantic mess all over my table. Here we go. I don't have any other foundations that the applicator is a dropper. And this is water-based. It does say to shake well before use. If you'd like a first impression video, leave me a comment below and let me know. So I'll hold off on trying this until I give you guys a chance to let me know if you want to see how that goes. So that was the first item that I chose. And then the next was the Tarte, obviously Tarte, Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder. And this is, they had several colors. I chose white. So I'm hoping it's not going to have like a ton of flashback. So far all I've done is peel the sticker off, and when I did, powder poofed everywhere. And it does seem to be extremely finely milled. Like, I can't feel anything on my hand. So hopefully it doesn't have a ton of flashback with it being white. I don't think I thought that through all that well, but then when I was placing my order, I was doing so at like 6 o'clock in the morning. I had just woken up. I checked my emails first thing, and I had the email in there, and I believe last November when I did this, there were several things that were sold out that I would have wanted to do. So I hopped on it as soon as I could so that nothing would be sold out, and nothing was. Anyway, so those are the first two. The next one that I got is now I've been using the Lights Camera Lashes mascara, and since I already have actually several of those, I decided to try the gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. I'm not sure what's smart about it, but this is just in the shade black. It's got a very unique, the packaging actually feels like it's wood. And let's see what the wand looks like. So pretty standard wand. And then I also got the Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in the color Exposed. There we go. I went ahead and got their eyeliner pen, which is also kind of one of those like a Sharpie. There we go. And this is also in the shade black. That seems to have a longer tapered end to it than the Beauty Pie one that I just used. And like I mentioned before, I'm not a fan of the Sharpie pen style of liners, but obviously I can get it to work when I have to. But I figured I'd give it a shot, see how it goes. And the last actual makeup type item is their Ready Set Radiant setting spray. It's a skin mist, and that's what this looks like. Now I did spray this just to see what the mist was like. I have not put this on my face, but it's got, let's see if we can get this on camera, fairly fine mist. And I was trying to see, especially since it says Ready Set Radiant, if it's got any like sparkly to it, which it doesn't look like it. Kind of smells like soap a little bit. Let's put some on, see what happens. Wow, that is a really fine mist. It's kind of hard to place the scent. It's not really like soap, but it's just, it smells clean. It kind of reminds me of what it smelled like. Oh, you're just supposed to shake it really well first. Uh-oh, that could be bad. It kind of smells like what it did outside the house that I lived in California as a child. It's nice. It's nice. Anyway, I digress. So that's the setting spray. It doesn't look like it's got sparkly to it, but you can see there are a few. It's not all fine mist. You get a few bigger drops in there as well. So just beware. It's a good mister, but it's not perfect. Yet to find one that is perfect. But then the last thing that I got was this makeup bag, which, you had to choose a makeup bag. I don't need any more makeup bags, but whatever. And I got this one, which is, I think they just call it marble. Looks like marble, and it's just your standard plastic on the outside and then cloth interior. But yeah, that's it. That's all that came in the box. The total for all 7 of those items together for me was $63. That's what their bundle packet is when they do these custom beauty kits. And then the sales tax here was $6.30. So I got all 7 of those items for a total of $69.30. And it also had a little card in here saying that friends don't let friends miss out on makeup. And then on the back side, there is a coupon that is good until, looks like, July 15th. So hopefully, I don't know if this, I'm sure it's probably good for everybody, but go check them out. I like them. You know, they do tend to be a little bit more on the expensive side. They also just came out with another brand within a brand called Sugar Rush, and it all looks like it's really geared towards the younger, maybe early teens type crowd. It's cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, vegan-friendly, and recyclable packaging, but it all looks like just stuff you get for a little girl. So I don't really have any, it doesn't really call to me. We'll put it that way. It doesn't speak my language. But there's a lot that they have that does. Like, you know, the lights, caramel lashes. I have several Tarte eyeshadow palettes. I've got like their, you know, the bronzing, the blush, the several highlighters. It's a good company. At least I don't know about the company. I will admit that. I don't do a whole lot of research on the companies themselves. You know, they did their best with that outrage about not having enough shades and that one range, which I think they came out with, of the two, because they had the matte and they had the hydrating one, I think there were like 16 shades each, and they said they were going to come out with more. I don't know if they ever did. I don't even know if you can get it anymore. I'm on their website right now, and let's see if we go to foundation. Oh yeah, that's right. I've got the face tape, the new one, the Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. That's the one that's in the squeezy tube. I do have the powder foundation, now the water foundation. I do have the Babasu Found Sealer. I actually like it, but then, you know, I already expected for it not to be full coverage because it's not. Okay, the Shape Tape Matte and Hydrating Foundations. Looks like now the matte one has 25 shades and the hydrating has 24. And I have both the matte and the hydrating. So it looks like actually I don't have their BB tinted moisturizer or the tinted treatment primer, but otherwise I have at least one, if not more, of all of their other foundations. I have a problem. It's a problem. Let me know if you want me to do like a full face of my favorite Tarte products, if you want to do a first impression of this one, since I have not yet tried it, let me know. But yeah, this is just a quick one. This is what I picked up. They do these every now and again. Does not seem to have much rhyme nor reason to when they put these promotions out there. So like I said, last November, and now here we are in June. So it's not even like a every 6 months or a quarterly type thing. I was very glad that at least for the products that they were offering in each category, that there was at least something that I did not already have. Like I've got minis of these, but I have like a lot of their other lipsticks where it's like a liner on one side and a lipstick on the other. And as we all know, I prefer the ones that dry down matte, and I do think I like this formula. I'll probably wear that tomorrow because obviously this color is my jam. That nice neutral. And see, you can still kind of see that didn't really dry all the way either, so you might want to take something and kind of pat that out. But I'm glad to report that I don't have sparkles all over my face like I was afraid, because you know it says Ready Set Radiant, and there's a, I can't remember who it's by, and I know I got it in a beauty box that I sprayed it on my hand because I had seen some reviews about it, and yeah, it's just you're spraying glitter all over your face. Not the look I'm going for. That's it. I just wanted to touch really quickly on what I got for the promotion this time for that build your own bag. I'll list everything below what the normal prices are. Just kind of like what I do with the FabFitFun and the add-ons and whatnot, where you're getting a really good deal. So what I actually paid versus how much they really cost usually. Anyway, I really just kind of rambled on here at the end. So hopefully you liked the video. If you like the video, please like the video. If you like me, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope you all have a fantastic day wherever you are. And I will see you again soon in my next video.